Welcome back to TechXplorer, your go-to channel for the latest in mobile technology. Today, we are taking a closer look at the all-new POCO F7, a smartphone designed to offer flagship-level features at an unbeatable price. With its 6.67-inch AMOLED display, Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor, 50MP triple camera setup, and a massive 6550 mAh battery, the POCO F7 is here to redefine what it means to be a best flagship phone. Let's dive into all its features in detail. 6.67-inch AMOLED panel. The POCO F7 boasts a 6.67-inch AMOLED display that offers a stunning visual experience. With a resolution of 3200 x 1440 pixels and support for 120 Hz refresh rate, the screen delivers vibrant colors, sharp details, and buttery smooth performance, perfect for gaming and multimedia. AMOLED technology ensures deep blacks and excellent contrast, while the HDR10 Plus support enhances your experience when streaming content on platforms like Netflix and YouTube. Whether you're watching your favorite shows or playing graphically intensive games, the POCO F7's display ensures a premium viewing experience. At the heart of the POCO F7 lies the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor, Qualcomm's latest flagship chipset. Built on a 4nm process, this powerhouse ensures top-tier performance for gaming, multitasking, and heavy applications. With its enhanced Cryo cores and Adreno GPU, the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 delivers faster processing speeds, better AI capabilities, and improved energy efficiency. Whether you're playing demanding games like Genshin Impact or multitasking with multiple apps, the POCO F7 handles it all without breaking a sweat. Additionally, the phone is equipped with LPDDR5X RAM and UFS 4.0 storage, ensuring lightning-fast app launches, seamless multitasking, and quick data transfers. The POCO F7 is equipped with a versatile 50MP triple camera setup, making it perfect for photography enthusiasts. Here is what you get: 50MP main sensor, capture sharp and detailed photos, even in low-light conditions, thanks to advanced AI processing and a wide f1.8 aperture. 8MP ultra-wide lens, ideal for capturing expansive landscapes and group photos with its 120-degree field of view. 2MP macro lens, explore the tiny details of your world with close-up shots. The camera system supports 4K video recording, ensuring high-quality videos with vibrant colors and sharp details. Features like night mode, AI scene detection, and portrait mode provide additional creative tools for photography and videography. On the front, the POCO F7 features a 16MP selfie camera with AI enhancements, ensuring crisp and natural-looking selfies in any lighting condition. One of the standout features of the POCO F7 is its massive 6550 mAh battery, which ensures you can go all day without worrying about running out of power. Whether you're gaming, streaming, or multitasking, this battery has you covered. The POCO F7 also supports 67W fast charging, allowing you to charge the phone from 0% to 100% in just under an hour. This makes it perfect for users who are always on the go. The POCO F7 runs on MIUI for POCO, based on the latest Android 15. The software is optimized for performance and comes with a host of new features, including improved multitasking capability, a highly customizable interface with new themes and widgets. POCO has also reduced bloatware, ensuring a cleaner and faster user experience. The POCO F7 features a sleek and modern design with a premium glass back and aluminum frame. The phone is available in three stunning color options: Aurora Blue, Carbon Black, and Frosted White. The phone is not only stylish but also durable, with Corning Gorilla Glass Victus to protecting the display from scratches and drops. Additionally, its slim profile and ergonomic design make it comfortable to hold for extended periods. The POCO F7 comes packed with flagship-level connectivity features, including 5G support for lightning-fast download speeds, Wi-Fi 7 for seamless and stable internet connectivity, Bluetooth 5.3 for faster and more reliable device pairing. POCO has always been known for offering exceptional value, and the F7 is no different. While official pricing hasn't been announced yet, it's expected to fall within the mid-range segment, making it an attractive option for budget-conscious users seeking flagship-level performance. The POCO F7 is a true flagship killer, offering an incredible mix of performance, display quality, battery life, and camera capabilities. Whether you're a gamer, a content creator, or just someone who wants a reliable smartphone, the POCO F7 has something for everyone. If you're looking for a phone that delivers flagship-level features without breaking the bank, the POCO F7 should be at the top of your list. Thank you for watching this in-depth review. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Techsplorer for more exciting tech content. Let us know in the comments which feature of the POCO F7 you're most excited about. Until next time, stay tech savvy.